be everybody we go school, oh my way. No be everybody we go. No be everybody no book. You know me say.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys back here with me, and today we're doing something different from my everyday look. It's the Lord somebody. So today I will be teaching you guys how to get this look on my face, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I'm really happy you're here, and I hope you subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up. Let's get into the tutorial. So guys, I am just going in with Pond's primer and I'm putting that on my brows so that I can look and my brows can actually stand out and be arranged whenever I put it. And I'm going in with Hega and Esther brow gel in toffee, and after that I'm just going to darken with my brow pencil so it looks a little nicer. After that I will conceal. I'm just going through this real fast because I will do a different video on how to draw brows, guys, so not to worry, I've got you covered. So I'm just blending that, and after that I'm just going to go in with Kuddy Cosmetics brow gel. This is a clear brow gel, guys. I just use this to arrange my brows and make it look more natural from the top. And I'm going to go in with a darker concealer, ladies, always a darker concealer, or you can use your foundation color to conceal the top of your brows so that it doesn't look too white. You get? And I'm going to blend that out and make sure that it looks nice. So just blending. Work it, girl. Your brows are on fleek. So after that, I'm just going to set my eyes with concealer so that I can actually blend it with the concealer from my brows that we did earlier. And I will set that with powder so it doesn't crease. So I'm just going to set it with powder, starting from my powder, no powder, please. Starting from my eyelid to my brow bone, everywhere, I'm just setting it with my color of powder. And I'm going in with my transition color from Morphe palette. And I'm just dabbing, guys. You see how I'm just dabbing and taking backward and forward. I'm dabbing so I can get the pigment to come out a lot, you get. And I'm going in with another pink eyeshadow because we're going ahead to create a pink, hot pink look. So I'm just using all the pink I can find. So I'm going in with a pink eyeshadow from Kuddy Cosmetics, and I'm just dabbing as well. And I go ahead to blend the hash lines above also so it doesn't look too fake and unblended, ladies. Always blend. Blending is the key. So I'm using my Kuddy Cosmetics 12 color flash palette. If you don't have this palette, I beg, please get out of here. This palette is my favorite palette. I use it as my lipstick, my eyeliner, eyeshadow base for any color. It's amazing, guys. You need to have it. Every lady needs to have this. So I'm going to set this after I apply it on my eyelid. Notice how I didn't actually use eye primer because this serves as my eye primer as well because it's already colored. So I'm just going to set it so it can look matte and nicer. So I'm just setting that. See? Get it? So I'm just setting that, and after that I'm going in with these glitters, guys. This glitters is confusing me because I don't know if it's pink, I don't know if it's coral, I don't know if it's pink and silver. It's just a confusing color, and I love confusing colors. So I'm just using that on the top of my eyes so I can get my eyes to pop a little more than I want it to. So I'm just using it, and I'm not using it all over my eyes, guys. Just notice the top parts to create an illusion of shine. You know what I'm saying? So after that, I'm just going to draw my wing liner, guys, and this one is a very delicate something. I always make sure that I'm not, my wing liner or my liner doesn't know I'm scared, because I'm always scared. This pattern, once I'm done with my wing liner, guys, I'm always like, praise Master Jesus, because if you make a mistake on your wing liner, otipari, your makeup is over. Like, so I'm just drawing my wing liner. I will do a different tutorial on how to draw a wing liner so you guys can learn faster. It's actually very easy to draw. You just have to be patient, and you have to be accurate, and you have to use good gel liner as well. So after that, I'm just using mascara on my lashes before I fix it, and see how I'm just using it softly on my eyes so I can fix on them gently. So before I fix my lashes, I'm using a glitter liner at the side of my eyes, just to put a little bit of art and that, you know. Fixing my lashes. So I just put my lashes. These lashes are so nice. I give them away currently, and I hope one of you want the lash actually. So I am just lining my eyes with Kuddy Cosmetics long wear eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is like this play palette, but it's only an eyeshadow, so I use it to touch up under my eyes. I use it as dark lipstick. I can use it for anything as well. It's just really artistic as well. So after that, I'm going to the face, and I'm going in with my moisturizer from Black Opal. This is my oil control moisturizer. So if you have oily skin, this is what you should use, and it will stop your skin from breaking out too much, and that's why I like it. And I'm going in with Nivea men's aftershave for my primer. This is a must-have as well, ladies. If you have oily skin, use this and wait for your face to dry before you actually add your foundation, because if you don't, it's just going to give you a really nasty look. So I'm just adding my Jordana foundation. I'm blending in circular motions, and as you can see, I make sure that I'm blending in circular motions and nothing more than that. So I just finished blending, so I'm going to set my face before I contour with powder. My exact shade, ladies. I used my exact shade, so my face, don't use a lighter shade, so when you now conceal and contour, your face will now be white. Do you get? So use your exact shade to just trap all that oil in. So to contour, I'm using Black Opal in Carbo and Fawn in LA Girl Pro to conceal under my eyes, and I'm making sure I don't put concealer on the eyeshadow under my eyes. I'm just really careful about that. And I'm going to put on my nose, my cupid's bow, under my mouth and my forehead, and I will blend all of that in. And now it's contour. I already have a natural contour line, guys. God just blessed me with that. So I'm going to blend all of that in, and I always make sure that I use a different brush, or I clean my brush for contour when I'm blending, so like I don't add white concealer or anything on it to destroy everything I did. For my nose, I always use a thinner brush or a smaller blending brush to get a precise look. So this is just Black Opal oil control powder. I use it before I actually set my actual face with setting powder. So this blocks the oil. So you see, guys, my oil can never really come out because Jesus has trapped it for me, you know. Trap all the oil, lower face here. So after this, I'm blending, I'm setting my face with Black Opal setting powder, and I will do my contour. This is my contour gone. I will do my contour for my enemies to see it, you know. Your enemies gonna see you shine. Contour that face, girl. And after that, I'm just going back to my nose to set the contour we did earlier, to make sure my nose is, you know, tiny pointed nose. And I'm just blending all of that in on my face with powder. Just make sure you're going in, not too much powder, just dab your brush on powder and blend everything you put in before to just keep it intact on your face. So after that, I am spraying my face with setting spray. Don't be afraid to pour spray to setting spray. Pour. And I'm using my blush from Kuddy Cosmetics. And now it's time to blend your haters. So this glow just kills me every time. Can you see what it is? I'm going to drop a link for where you can shop this glow, and you guys always get a discount to buy it from my page. And I'm just doing my reverse contour so my face can pop and my highlights won't hide under the auspices of my contour. You get what I'm saying? I never knew I could speak English. You see me saying auspices. Damn, girl. So I'm just adding extra highlight to my forehead, my cupid's bow, under my chin, and I'll blend all of that out. Make sure you blend very well to avoid harsh lines and unblended face, you know what I'm saying? So after that, I'm just going to use my mascara under my eyes to give it that illusion that yes, I actually did makeup under my eyes, you get, and make your lashes pop, and just to make you look beautiful at the same time. And after that, I will be using my lipstick in apple red. Kuddy Cosmetics did an amazing job doing this lipstick. I mean, it is like the best lipstick I've ever used. So after that, this is basically the end, and I hope you enjoyed the look. Let me go and freshen up, you know, and take fine pictures so you can see. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, please, I beg, please subscribe and help your girl.
But we still know the feel to the extent. If you know the get check, what's the essence? When boys know the feel for your presence.